His inspirations today. My name is Pastor Jeff, and I want to share with you this morning a very powerful nugget that the Lord laid in my heart to share today. And it's in one word: forgive. Hate is a prolonged form of suicide. Are you aware? If you choose to be a bitter person, you can never be a better person. If you keep the hurts of yesterday alive, you've actually succeeded killing your tomorrow. Those who keep memories of past disgrace, disappointments, betrayals, hurts, thoughts, and pictures of painful encounters and experiences never see beauty around them, and of course, they never see good in other people. One of the forces that drains our energy and saps our power, thus limiting us from attaining the best in life, is actually unforgiveness. Unforgiveness has never improved the condition of anybody. It only distracts you from focusing your faith and hope in God. To live in unforgiveness is to dwell in error. Unforgiveness has the way of shutting off the gate valve of love, thereby stopping you from doing the right thing. Now, please note that offenses will surely come, but blessed is the one who does not dwell in offenses. You may actually have strong reasons and rights to hate someone or to hate a people, but what will it actually add to your life? As a matter of fact, if everybody you have ever offended chose to hold it against you, now I should ask you, where do you think you will be right now? If everybody you offended refused to forgive you, how would your life actually be? So holding on the past can actually cripple your destiny. Great men are known for their attitude of forgiveness. Forgiveness is the mark of the strong and the brave. But small people, cowards, don't actually forgive. Now the truth is, there is no revenge so sweet as forgiveness. You don't lose anything when you forgive, rather you gain. Why carry a burden you can actually unload? Why suffer when you can actually choose to be happy and be free? Why live in pain, resentment, misery when you can live in peace and joy? Save yourself the expense of anger and forgive. Save yourself the high cost of hatred and the waste of energy in bitterness. Do you know that most times even the people you are bitter and angry with don't even know? They are just living their normal life and you are just there being frustrated and all of that. Today, I endear you to forgive. Let go of yesterday and embrace your colorful tomorrow where peace, joy, and prosperity abounds. Learn to forgive. God bless you. Same time tomorrow, I'll be sharing some nuggets with you, and I know your life is going to be better and better.
To talk to Pastor Jeff, call 0706 512 6661.
Inspiration with Pastor Jeff Akpe.